Alright, good day everyone. Today's video I'm going to show you step by step how you can make from 5 USD to 10 USD and above. So all you have to do is to go over to your browser, yeah, and search for sprouts.com and hit up searching, then search. So here's the Sprout Gate. Okay, if you are a new user, you have to click this sign up. But if you have existing account, just click here like this. All right, so now I have an existing account, so I'm not going to so let me start. For the sake of people that don't have account, just click here like this, sign up. So you have to put your name, your real name. Just put your real name here, then your email, then password. Type your password. Type your password here, then your nickname. You select your country, then you see here you have to choose I am a worker. See, I'm a worker. After then you click there and here like this. So when you're done, you just hit up sign up. For me, I have an existing account. I'm not going to click sign up. All I have to do is to go over here and say login. Okay, right now I'm on my dashboard. You can see what I've earned so far today, and you can see the ones they have already approved. So you can see just working this morning, I've earned a lot of this kind of amount of money this morning. So, and I'm just playing with it. So let me show you. Hope you can see the price now. So just click here. Let's perform one task. Then click micro job. Micro jobs. So when you're in micro job now, just click find job. Okay, scroll down. You see about 635 job right now for most recent job. It's not all the job, just most recent job now. So I don't discount job this type. I don't recommend it for anyone. Don't do this type of job. Anything you see this best offer like you to complete an offer, don't do it. It's wasting of time. It will only waste your time. You see this kind of job, see you this type, this type, these are the best job that it will not waste your time. This one, it will also waste your time because they will ask you to complete human verification. I'll make video on this one later. You'll see how it is. It will be very hard. You cannot earn from this type of job. Yeah, also this type, anyone you just see complete human verification, don't do it. But you can do something like this. Sign up plus KYC. This one's, if you know that you're a new user, you can do this type. All right, so I say you should just go for this CEO work. So I'm going to work on this job now. So let's do it together. Click it. Then scroll down. See secondary, you have to check here whether your country So if you're in this country, don't do this job. Like countries that they're listing like Algeria, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Indonesia, Kenya, Morocco, Pakistan, Syria, you cannot do this. But the country I am now, can do this job because my country is not listing among the excluded country. So all you have to do is to scroll down and read the instruction very careful. You see what is expected from the worker. Open a private browser. This one, don't just forget about this one. They say open a private worker, just forget about it. Go to, here's the link. Go to dash, then visit the internal link to get to my website. Read more. You see, you know, say visit the first to 9 articles slowly and you will find next post below. Then code will appear in 10 seconds of the 10th post below. Then follow this one. You see this one, they will just say follow this one. This one, I don't normally mind this one. All I do, I'll just scroll down and look for what they require. They'll say URL of the landing page. This URL of the landing page is the URL of the ad you see in the website. URL of the contact page of that ad. Then the code. So you can see, let me do it step by step now. So I'll click here. I'll long press it. See this step 2. When I long press it, I'll now click. I'll long press it and now click open. You see website have pop up. Right now I'm doing this thing from a Chrome beta, but I'm going to open it with another browser. I'm going to open it with another browser so that the work will be very easier. Open it with a Kiwi browser. So a site discuss the best one. So if you look now, here you see this is the site name. You click it from read more. Just click read more. Yeah, click it. See? Click here. Then scroll down. See? Click here. Alright, just click this next one, which is the 10th post. Click it. Scroll down. They say I'll see code. See, once this code just load finish. Wow, you see, here's the code. I'm going to copy. So you copy this code now. Copy. Then you click. You minimize it. Minimize your browser. Then go to the next browser. You open it. You know, I'm opening it from a Chrome browser. So okay, so I've already pasted the code. So now when you paste this code, you go back to the browser again, that website. You go back to that website again. Okay, so this ad is the second website. Any ad you just see on the website is the second website they ask you to visit. So you just click the ad, click it, let it load. So long press here, then you copy. When you copy, you minimize and go to the second website you're doing your work. So you know that is the landing page for the website, the second website. So you paste it here. Yeah. Then you go back again. They say URL of the contact page. Go. So now you either click here. Some website you see their contact page. When you click here, while some you have to scroll down to the footer. So since I cannot see contact page on the footer. Let me just click here with that. So what you do now is to go here, click here like this, yeah, and click here, which is the contact us. So you're in contact us page now. What next now? Long press here, long press it. Then you copy it. Yeah, minimize again and go back to that your browser. You can see there's a URL of the contact page of the step 6, and that's the URL of the head. So you already put it here, paste it, then you scroll down, you submit. Yeah, you just follow this step by step, and that's all. You continue doing it one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. So see you on the other side.